Too much visibility over your fence? Here's how to make it taller, without replacing the whole thing. First, gather your tools and materials. What you need depends on your current fence and your preferred method of height extension. Measure the current height of your fence and decide how much taller you want it. Keep in mind your local building codes. Many residential fences max out at 6 to 8 feet. Attach post extenders to your existing fence posts using brackets or screws. For wood fences, you can bolt on longer posts. Vinyl systems often use pre-made sleeve extenders. Now add the actual height. For wood fences, install lattice or extra pickets. For chain link, use extension arms with privacy slats or mesh. Make sure everything is level and secure. Paint or stain the new additions to match your existing fence. Add post caps for a finished look and double-check all fasteners. Thanks for watching. For more fence solutions, visit kaonfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.